in two, in one. Beautiful job, boys and girls. Amazing. So today is Friday. Today is January 16th, and we do have our campus. Everyone to say our pledge.
Good morning, pioneers. Our names are Yolanda Martinez, we are students in 5th grade. Please stand for the pledge. Please remain standing for the moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Can we give you 3 more seconds? 3, 2, 1. All right, so we do have our 3rd grade flag football champion. Our 3rd graders played their heart and determination. They worked together to accomplish their goal. If you are on the flag football team, come on down. Good job, guys. Beautiful. So, do I have anybody who would like to share something about the season?
We had a great season. We were undefeated. We tried our best. Go Pioneers!
That's right. Go Pioneers. Let's give them one more huge round of applause, boys and girls. All right. Thank you very much, boys. Can we take this seat? Yay! Now I get to invite some readers up here who have worked really hard for months to go to be an air Sunshine Club winner. And we start with
Today we have our Ivy Scholar celebration for our next two attributes, which were open-minded and being reflective. And so we as a staff vote on who we think models that among our staff members. So we had some great votes, and I'm pleased to announce that our reflective IB staff winner is and I'm going to read. We put this together based on comments we received. So Mrs. Ramirez exemplifies what it means to be reflective in her teaching and leadership. She consistently reflects, She consistently reflects on her classroom practices and supports our staff in thoughtfully reflecting on campus plans and initiatives, always willing to share and receive feedback. She is deeply self-reflective and committed to continuous improvement. Mrs. Ramirez listens with sincerity and shows genuine interest in others' perspectives, strengthening collaboration and growth across our campus. So we're lucky to have her. Thank you so much. Another staff voted for our open-minded model, someone that displays this attribute. And our winner is Miss She's out there? Okay, she's in the hallway? Okay. We will bring her in and we'll start sharing a little bit about her and then we'll share this with her. So, she is one of our early childhood education instructional aides. And this website demonstrates what it means to be open-minded in her work with students and colleagues. She is always willing to learn from others, listen attentively, and values diverse perspectives. Ms. Whitford is new and colleagues her openness and flexibility allow her to build strong connections and create meaningful experiences for her students. Congratulations, Ms. Whitford. Thank you so much. She's getting right back to work. And thank you, staff, for voting. So we'll honor all of our students beginning at about 8:45. So we look forward to celebrating them.
All right, if I can have Zoe De Leon and Isabella Molina here from fifth grade here. Oh, here we are. So while they walk up here, I'm going to talk a little bit about or introduce their topic. Oh, you know what? Let me wait 3 seconds so we can get voice level 0. 3, 2, and 1. So these girls approached me and they really thought that, they really wanted to spread some kindness around the school. So I said, sure, why not? That sounds like a great idea. So they got together and they helped form a kindness club. So they're going to talk a little bit more about it, how you can join, and what it entails. All right?
We check if you have good grades
make sure you have good behavior because we need to be a representative of the Kindness Club, right? And we will take a look and make sure that you are spreading kindness around as well. Okay, those are things you must do if you want to be in our club. And sign up should be before January 23rd. That's next Friday. Okay, so if you're interested, you know who to ask over here, or you can come by my office and ask me as well. Thank you guys. Thank you, girls.
Hello, my name is Elliot. Good morning, first grade, and continuing to collect shoes for our action problem. First grade action problem is in the lead. Is the essence class is on top and could win a pizza party. Let's see how many more shoes we can do to help kids who are lonely. Thank you, Pirates.
Mrs. Leah's class is in the lead right now, guys. So that means, yes, they're going to get a pizza party, or they're eligible for one. You have 2 more weeks to donate your shoes. And if your class ends up with the most donated shoes, then that pizza party will go to you, okay? So bring in those shoes, and thank you so much for letting us know. Let's give a round of applause, guys. Next up, we do have our birthday.
All right, we're going to begin with Samantha Rodriguez, January 3rd, third grade, and Miss Lopez. And then she will Google that high five. We have William Guerra, January 13th, fourth grade, and Miss Garcia. We have Sebastian Medina, January 13th, and Mike Diaz, first grade.
out there.